In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create fillable forms in Zoho Writer. Start by heading to your Zoho Writer dashboard. This is your home base, where all your documents live and where you'll kick off any new form project. Once you're there, we'll begin with the right kind of template so your document is ready for interactive fields. Click File, then choose New Automation Template. From the options, select Fillable Template, and finally click Create from Scratch. This opens a clean, blank document designed specifically for building forms. Think of it as a canvas that supports interactive fields your respondents can type into, check off, or select from. With your blank form open, look for the Form tools. These are what you'll use to insert fillable fields. Add text boxes for names, addresses, or short answers. Use checkboxes when multiple selections are allowed, and drop-downs when you want people to choose from a controlled list, which helps keep data consistent. If your form needs authorization or consent, insert a signature field to capture a digital signature. As you place fields, align them neatly and group related items together so the form feels logical and easy to navigate. Every field you add can be customized. Start with clear, concise labels that tell people exactly what to enter. You can set default values to give examples or to pre-fill known information, which speeds up completion and reduces errors. For text fields, consider whether you want single-line or paragraph-style input. For drop-downs, craft a focused set of choices that reflect the answers you expect. Validation rules are your quality control. Use them to restrict inputs to the format you need, such as numbers only, a minimum or maximum length, or patterns like an email format. This prevents messy data and saves time later. Mark critical fields as required, so no one can submit the form without providing the essentials. Keep an eye on balance here. Make important fields mandatory, but don't overdo it or the form can feel heavy. As you design, aim for clarity and accessibility. Keep labels close to their fields, use descriptive placeholder text for guidance, and maintain a top-to-bottom flow that mirrors how people naturally read. If a field might confuse someone, refine the label or add a brief hint so the intention is unmistakable. That's it. Starting in your dashboard, creating a fillable template from scratch, adding the right fields, and customizing labels, defaults, validation, and required settings to build a clean, professional form in Zoho Writer.